In a previous video, I showed you cream cheese using ready-made powder. Today, I'm going to share with you how to make my own homemade cream cheese recipe. This recipe can be multiplied many times. So if you want to make 4 servings of this recipe, you can multiply it by 4. If you wanted to make only 2, then you can multiply it by 2. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to mash your cream cheese. Mix it with the heavy cream. And then we're going to mash our cream cheese with the heavy cream. Use the back of your spoon. We'll add our salt. This is about 1 teaspoon. Because we are making rock salt cream cheese, just giving that perfect balance of salty and creamy. And then I'm just going to add about 2 teaspoons. The normal formula is 4 tablespoons, okay? But I don't want it to be too sweet for me, so 2 teaspoons is enough. So I'm just going to scrape that, make sure I don't waste any of the cream cheese and the cream. Okay, there you go. Then I'm going to use the hand mixer to whip them together. I've tried using the blender, it just doesn't give you that smooth texture. So if you really want to come up with a good cream cheese topping, I would suggest to use a hand mixer. Now look at that creamy cream cheese. Wow. Now look at that really smooth texture. Let me just get the sides and thoroughly mix them. Let me try it. Wow, that is absolutely delicious. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you click subscribe below. Give it a try, do it at home or at your milk tea and coffee shop. Share some photos if you can and let me know how it goes. In the meantime, thank you for watching and ciao for now.